When considering home improvements, environmental impact is an increasingly important factor for Orangeburg homeowners. One upgrade that combines energy savings, sustainability, and improved comfort is professional window installation. By choosing the right materials and hiring experts for proper installation, you can reduce your home's environmental footprint while enjoying long-term benefits. Here's a closer look at how professional window installation in Orangeburg can positively affect the environment and why it's a decision that benefits both your home and the planet. Improved energy efficiency reduces carbon footprint. Windows are a major factor in a home's energy consumption. Poorly installed or outdated windows can lead to significant heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. How energy-efficient windows help. Modern windows with low E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulating gas fills, like argon or krypton, minimize heat transfer. This reduces the need for excessive heating and cooling. Environmental benefit. By lowering energy consumption, you're reducing the demand on power plants, which translates to fewer greenhouse gas emissions. In Orangeburg's hot summers and mild winters, energy-efficient windows can make a dramatic difference in your home's energy use and environmental impact. Reduced waste through professional installation. A poorly executed window installation can lead to gaps, drafts, and leaks, negating the benefits of even the most energy-efficient windows. Over time, this may require additional repairs or replacements, generating unnecessary waste. Expert craftsmanship. Professional installers ensure windows are fitted correctly, sealed tightly, and aligned properly, maximizing their efficiency and lifespan. Long-term sustainability. Quality installation minimizes the need for frequent replacements, reducing the waste generated by discarded materials. Hiring professionals in Orangeburg who understand the local climate and building codes ensures your windows are installed to last, saving resources and reducing landfill waste. Sustainable material choices. Many window manufacturers now prioritize sustainability, offering eco-friendly materials that reduce environmental impact. Recyclable frames. Materials like aluminum and vinyl are often recyclable at the end of their lifespan. Sustainable wood options. Certified wood frames sourced from sustainable forests minimize environmental harm. Energy-saving glass. Windows with advanced coatings and multiple panes enhance efficiency without compromising on natural light. By opting for sustainable window materials during your installation, you're supporting environmentally responsible practices and reducing your home's overall ecological footprint. Better indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows do more than just regulate temperature. They also improve indoor air quality by reducing the need for artificial climate control and preventing drafts and leaks that could introduce pollutants or allergens. Sealed against pollutants. Properly installed windows create a tight seal, keeping outdoor pollutants like dust, pollen, and vehicle emissions from entering your home. Less reliance on HVAC systems. Reduced usage of heating and cooling systems means fewer airborne particles circulating in your home. Cleaner air contributes to a healthier living environment and lowers the environmental cost associated with maintaining air quality through mechanical systems. Natural light reduces lighting needs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to maximize natural light while minimizing heat gain. This allows you to rely less on artificial lighting during the day. Environmental advantage. Reduced electricity use for lighting decreases your household energy consumption. Enhanced comfort. Natural light not only cuts energy costs but also creates a more pleasant living space. Strategic placement of windows during professional installation can further optimize daylighting and reduce your reliance on artificial light sources. Storm-resistant options for durability. Orangeburg occasionally experiences storms that can damage windows and lead to frequent replacements. Installing storm-resistant or impact-rated windows offers environmental benefits by reducing waste and the need for repairs. Longer lifespan. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand harsh weather, reducing the frequency of replacements. Resource conservation. Fewer replacements mean fewer materials consumed and less waste generated. Recycling and proper disposal of old windows. Professional window installation services often include the removal and proper disposal of old windows. Many companies ensure these materials are recycled whenever possible. Glass recycling. Old glass panes can be repurposed for new products. Frame materials. Aluminum, vinyl, and wood can often be recycled or reused, reducing landfill waste. Environmental responsibility. Choosing a professional installer who prioritizes eco-friendly practices ensures your old windows are disposed of sustainably. Supporting local green practices. Hiring a professional installation service in Orangeburg supports local businesses that may prioritize environmentally friendly practices. Many local installers are knowledgeable about energy-efficient solutions and can recommend the best products for reducing your home's environmental footprint. Tailored recommendations. Local professionals understand Orangeburg's climate and can suggest window types that maximize efficiency in hot summers and mild winters. Community impact. Supporting local businesses encourages eco-conscious practices within the community. Conclusion. A green choice for Orangeburg homeowners. Professional window installation is more than just a home improvement project, it's a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. From reducing energy consumption to minimizing waste and improving indoor air quality, properly installed, energy-efficient windows make a positive impact on the environment in your home. By choosing professional window installation in Orangeburg, you're investing in a solution that benefits both your family and the planet. Work with trusted local experts to ensure your windows are installed to the highest standards, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a greener, more energy-efficient home.